Msbev is out and about today, guys. Happy Sabbath, happy Sabbath. Um, it's a special day today, and I'm here later. Why I'm here? Maybe these numbers will tell you something, but I'm here waiting on my daughters to come. So happy Sabbath, everybody. Hope that all is well with you wherever you are. And hey, it's a beautiful day. God is so good, and His mercies and His love and His blessings and His keeping care. So I'm just hoping that you're enjoying every blessing where you are, great and small. Enjoy the Sabbath. So we know that little Graeson is started preschool and to develop his social skills. Mom and dad has been privileged to work from home. So today he'll graduate, guys. He's graduating today. So we're just here to support. We know it's not a big graduation. It's just a few of them moving on to kindergarten. But we're here to celebrate every little blessing, great or small. So you get ready for kindergarten and hope that, that each little step that he takes, each building block will be one to help him to be a better human being. So I'm just thankful, guys. I am so truly thankful. I'm crying. I'm crying because God has been good. From my humble beginnings until I can be here to celebrate a grandchild's blessing, and just to see how my children and my daughter-in-law, how they work hard to make the best for the children that they have. Well, Jody and Judy doesn't have any yet, but I am just grateful. Sometimes, so much goes on, and it is just. So I every day I have to just be thankful, just knowing how things could have been so different. But I'm grateful to God for the sacrifices I chose to make, and just to be humble at all times. So celebrate with us today, guys. Congratulations to Graeson as he get ready to move on upward with the big boys. Stay blessed, my people. Can you walk in again? Thanks, Joe. Tell me if you like my new glasses, people. I just changed my glasses, but I hate these. I hate them, I hate them, I hate them. But they're doing the job they need to do. My son says it's something from the 1990s, but I like it. It's big enough. But we'll see how I can and get my hair done on Monday, so we'll see. What? Yeah. I didn't put a face in it. You're who? Not the snore. Oh, my son is too much. So good to be with family, whatever the occasion, it's just good. You know, I hear Gia snoring. That's coming in soon. You want to put those? Can I put the fingers in? What was? Let me see the fingers here. Deuces. You want your revenue? Somebody made me a little outro for my videos. And I wasn't using it, but I noticed 3 videos I put it on because I'm using CapCut. Why is it each time I use it, I see that I'm sharing my little revenue? I'm sharing my revenue, my little monetization, the 3 cents. So the music the girl will use is because after them what they did, this music was available at first free, but as people start using them more and more, they copyright them. So now they're sharing your revenue. So I said, let me stop using it. I don't need an outro. I just stopped my video. Well, I could, if you help me, just find music that is not copyrighted. Just something simple. Graeson could play something. And then just put the words in. Okay, let's go. Alright, so listen to music while we wait for the big entrance. We're waiting for the grand entrance.
I'm just joking, right?
Huh?
I'm just joking.
I'm not doing a close up. I'm doing it from a distance. Congratulations, little boy. Little Scooter. Congratulations. Huh? What's when you were 5? You have a snowboard too? It's cool.